This animal has 3 hearts, its blood is blue, and it has 9 separate brains. Scientists have said that it's the closest thing we will ever get to meeting a real-life, intelligent alien. This is the octopus, the mysterious 8-armed genius of the ocean. Its intelligence is legendary, but its body is even weirder than you can possibly imagine. I'm going to show you the secrets of its truly alien anatomy, reveal how it can become a living invisibility cloak, and tell you the tragic story of how its life must always end. Let's start with the basics, which are anything but basic. As I said, an octopus has 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts are dedicated to just pumping blood through its gills to get oxygen, and the 3rd, bigger heart circulates that blood to the rest of the body. And that blood is blue, not red like ours. This is because our blood uses iron to transport oxygen, while an octopus's blood uses copper. And then there are the brains. An octopus has a central brain in its head, but it's shaped like a donut, and its esophagus, the tube it uses to swallow food, goes right through the middle of it. But that's not all. About 2/3 of an octopus's brain power isn't even in its head. Each of its 8 arms has its own large, complex bundle of nerve cells that can act and think independently. It's like each arm has a mini brain of its own. This is why an octopus can have one arm trying to solve a puzzle, while another arm is busy catching a snack. But the octopus's most famous superpower is its ability to disappear. It is the undisputed master of camouflage. An octopus's skin is covered in thousands of tiny elastic sacs of pigment called chromatophores. The octopus can use its muscles to instantly stretch or shrink these sacs, which changes the color and the pattern of its skin in a fraction of a second. But they can also change the texture of their skin, going from perfectly smooth to bumpy and spiky to perfectly mimic a piece of rock or coral. It is the best and fastest camouflage in the entire animal kingdom. So they are super intelligent, they have all these weird and amazing body parts, and they can basically turn invisible. They seem like the ultimate survivors. But for this incredible animal, the act of creating a new life is also a guaranteed death sentence. The life of an octopus is short and it ends in tragedy. They are what's called a terminal species, which means they only reproduce once, right at the very end of their lives, and then they die. After a male octopus mates, he enters a rapid decline. He will stop eating, he'll wander aimlessly, and he'll die within a few weeks or months. But the female sacrifice is even more profound. After she lays her strings of eggs, she enters full-time mom mode. She will find a safe den and will dedicate herself completely to protecting her eggs. She will constantly clean them, protect them from predators, and gently blow currents of fresh, oxygenated water over them. She will not leave them for any reason. She will not hunt, she will not eat. For weeks, and sometimes for months, she will slowly and deliberately starve to death, usually dying right around the time her babies finally hatch and float away. It is an act of ultimate sacrifice to ensure the next generation has a chance to survive. But in their short lives, they prove again and again just how incredibly intelligent they are. Octopuses in aquariums are notorious escape artists. They have been caught learning how to unscrew the lids of jars from the inside to get a treat. They will even wait until the staff have gone home for the night, sneak out of their own tank, crawl across the floor to another tank to steal some fish, and then crawl all the way back to their own tank before the morning. They have even been observed using tools. The coconut octopus will find 2 halves of a coconut shell, carry them around, and then assemble them as a portable, armored shelter when it needs to hide. This is a level of problem solving and future planning that is just mind-blowing for an invertebrate. So the octopus is a true alien of our own world. It's a genius with 3 hearts, blue blood, and 9 brains. It's a master of camouflage that can change its color and its texture in the blink of an eye. They are some of the smartest problem solvers in the ocean. But their incredible life always ends in tragedy, as both the father and the mother sacrifice themselves for the next generation. If you want to explore the minds of more of the ocean's most intelligent creatures, make sure you subscribe.